Hello, welcome to this edition of the Westland Report. I'm Westland Mayor William Wild, and joining us in the studio today is our Westland City Attorney, Jim Fausone.
Hi, Mayor. Good to be with you this afternoon.
Well, thanks, Jim. We appreciate you taking a little bit of time out of your schedule to come down here today. Now, Jim, the reason we wanted to talk to you today is that one of the things that your firm is very involved with is veteran affairs, and there's an event coming up in September that we wanted to make sure that the Westland residents knew about. Can you talk a little bit about that program and how you became involved with it?
Sure, be glad to, and thanks for having us here to get the word out to the residents of Westland that this is something that they can participate in, and I think it'll be very helpful. What we're doing is a two-day program called Navigating the Waters of VA Benefits, and we're doing one day that's for veteran advocates and lawyers on sort of tricks of the trade. And the second day is being sponsored and put on just for veterans, their friends, and their family members, because a lot of times it's a wife or a daughter or a son-in-law who's trying to help dad out on getting his benefits and needs to learn a little bit more. So the reason we're doing this is I've brought these along to give you some sense. This book here are the federal laws dealing with veteran regulations.
Gotcha.
So nobody in their right mind can actually figure that out for themselves. And this book, which is of equal size, is the book that's supposed to explain this book.
Okay.
So trying to get your benefits from the federal government in the veterans area can be confusing and complicated.
Okay. Now, Jim, I know you're a very busy guy. You do a great job for the city. You sit on the Schoolcraft Board of Trustees. So why this, Jim? Why are you taking this on too? Why did you get involved?
Well, Mayor, as you know, my wife is involved in the military. She holds the rank of Brigadier General. Our family has a long history. My dad served, my grandfather served, I served. So part of helping veterans is that's kind of built into us to try to do. And honestly, after 9/11, I think more people woke up and realized maybe we're not doing what we should be doing for those who are protecting our freedoms. I currently have a nephew who's in the Marines, wearing my Marine lapel pin in his honor. Todd is leaving later this month for Afghanistan. So it's something that we talk around the dinner table about every day. So I sort of have collected a number of lawyers who are similarly minded. I've got 5 staff who work in this area, and hopefully we're doing some good. We kind of know we are, but that's how I got tapped into this. And because of those connections, I was able to, for this particular program, I was able to reach out to people at a county level, at a state level, and get them to show up and participate and be speakers. One of the things we're doing, particularly on the first day here, is we're kind of knocking down all the barriers. We have lawyers in the same room with county counselors, in the same room with veteran advocates, with VA people, and as a result, I'm hoping that as we get to know each other a little bit better and we find out, well, you have an expertise in this, you have an expertise in that, maybe we can advance the needs of the veterans by getting the right people to the right resources in a more timely fashion.